Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Please, I really appreciate that. So guys, today we are making this beautiful shift dress, going to have front design on it, and the neck too is going to have a design. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload beautiful videos like this. Don't forget to also give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. You can share my video with your friends. Please watch this video to the end, guys.
So this is my material now that we are using to make this shift dress. So this is the one that I use for the front, that is the Accra, and this is the main fabric, the Accra, that we use for the shift dress. So I'm just showing you so that we'll get started. So let me fold it out to open it so that we'll start with our measurement. So this is the fabric. So I'm just arranging it for us to start with our measurement. So I'll take my tape rule now to start with the measurement. So my measurement from the shoulder point that I want to mark, let me roll it first so that we'll start with the rolling place. On that side that I'm rolling with my chalk, that is where we'll start with our measurement. So that is the beginning line for the measurement. So let me start with the measurement. So my vertical line, that is to my length, is 37 on 1 inch on the hemline, so making it 38. So that's what I'm marking there now. So you just continue to mark to get our length, like the vertical length of our measurement. So it's done, and I want to roll it out for us, like the downside, the hem side. So after rolling it out, just for me now to start with the actual proper measurement, that is the neck. So I want this neck to cover very well. So what I'm marking there now is 2.5. 2.5 is what I'm marking. You will see why I'm marking it like that, so that it will cover very well for the neck that we want to have, like this tie. So my length, like the side of it now, is what I'm marking. What we are having there is 11.5. So now is the armhole side, is the armhole. What I marked there is 8.5. From the shoulder to the armhole side is 8.5, and there is where we'll get our actual armhole, and that is where we also get our sleeve, because it's all cut together that we are making on this shift dress. So we just take it down, because the weight of the body of this material that we are using to make it is 11.5. So I'm just marking it now. So from there we just take it out, because it's a shift dress that we are making. So after that, now I will give the neck. The neck is V, that is the front neck. I'm marking 5. 5 is what I'm marking. I don't want it to be too slopey at the cleavage, so I will roll it now. So that is what I'm doing now. From the shoulder to the neck that I marked is 5. Remember, it's 5 that I marked. So I will also mark 1 inch so that we'll get our back sides. Is the back and the front is what I'm marking there now. So it's 1 inch that I'm marking, so that I will just give a curve, a round curve from the back, like the neck, since we are cutting it all together. So that is what I'm marking there now. So we're done with the neck and the front neck. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my video to the end. So that is the sloping side that I want to slope. I'm marking it with 1 inch to get our shoulder. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using my roller to roll it out. 1 inch is what I've marked there to slope it out. So that is the shoulder side of it now. So share my video to your friends, let them watch it and make it on their own. It's a beautiful shift dress that we are making. So that is what I'm doing here now. So don't forget to also comment to your friends, let them watch it. So that is the next side that I'm cutting now, and the shoulder side. I cut the round neck at the back first, so that before then we'll now cut the front neck. So this is the actual downside of it now that I'm cutting out now. So we're done with that. So cutting the down of it, that is the hemline side. So that is where I mark 8.5. So I will mark it and I will cut it, and remember that is where you will start your sewing, so that it will get it at our sleeve. So that is where the sleeve will be, because it's all gone together. Please don't mind my voice. You see, I have a cracked voice today, so that is why you can see that my voice is like that. So that is what I'm doing then as I'm cutting it now. I'm pointing it out for you now to see. So now I want to take out the back side. So it's the front neck now that I want to cut. So I'm cutting it. Remember, it's 5 that I marked there to the cleavage, so I don't want it to be too sloppy, so that it will fit on that neck that I want. So that is it now. We're done with that. So what I will do now is for us now to go and sew it now on the machine. So I'm taking it to the machine to go and join the shoulder, so that we will now get our neck. So that is it now. Can you see what I'm doing? Showing you the back, so that we'll go and stitch it. That is shoulder to the shoulder on my machine. I'll go and stitch it, and after that we'll come and show you what to do at the neck. So that is it. So I'm taking it to the machine now to go and stitch. So now I've stitched it and iron it. So that is what I will use for the neck. So before then, you now measure sorry please. So before then, you now measure the neck, starting from the shoulder side of it, to mark it round and see what you've got in there. So what I'm marking there now, so I'm just taking it round to measure and get to the starting point that I have started before. So now we've gotten it. What I've gotten there is 5, here is 22. So now this is the color that I'm using. So I'm pinning it to us to go and stitch on the machine. This is what I'm doing now, to go and sew it on the machine, just to pin it out how you will do it. So I've done it, and this is the front side of it now that I will measure. What I'm doing there is to get the middle side is level 11 that I have there now. So on that length to get there is 23. So can you see how it is now? It came out because we have done it. So can you see the neck? What I also told you about that is 2.5 at the width, and the sloping side is 5. So I don't want it to be too sloppy. That's why I make that neck like that, so you can see how it is that it covered very well. So please don't forget to watch my channel, comment, share to your friends, subscribe please, watch this video to the end, give it a thumbs up. So lovely, can see it how it is now. Please share it to your friends and watch it to the end and subscribe. Thank you.